Hey guys, and welcome back to Nisha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Jamaican sorrel. This one won't have any alcohol in it. I am on an alcohol cleanse and I've been a month clean, so I'm not adding any alcohol here. But you can add alcohol to yours, which will be rum, red wine, whatever you want to add. So I'm going to start boiling my water while I prep everything else. You already know I'm paranoid about faucet water, so I'm using bottled water. I have 3 whole hands of ginger here, and I'm going to chop all of it up. And I just love ginger in sorrel. I feel like the secret ingredient to making sorrel is fresh ginger, in my opinion. So I'm going to use a lot of it. Alright, so the last hand, I'm going to chop it up really small because I want it to really break down and flavor my drink. This is also known as hibiscus tea. And, if you don't know what sorrel, in Jamaica we call it sorrel. But, in America and a lot of other places, they call it hibiscus. And so we use this to make drink. I am in America and we don't have the fresh here, so I'm using the dried that they import here, and this is what it looks like. But of course the fresh is definitely better than the dried. So I'm gonna rinse it off a little bit and then I'm gonna move on. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to add my ginger. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not. The pods are very potent and, they just balance each other out. And plus, again, it's my preference. I like that spiciness from the ginger and just the flavor of it. So I add lots of it, but it's up to your taste. Now, y'all, I don't have a big ass pot. I don't have a big old pot like everyone else. So when I make this batch, it's going to be very concentrated. So once I pull out everything I need to pull out from the pods, I'm then going to add more water as we sweeten it and move on with the recipe. But for right now, I'm just going to put enough water to cover it just like this. Again, it's going to be very concentrated because I don't have a big enough pot. And so I'll show you guys what I do. So once I add the water, the cinnamon sticks, and the ginger, this is about 12 hours later, and look how rich and concentrated. This is a piece of ginger. This is the ginger right here, y'all. I told y'all those pods are very concentrated, so they balance each other out. So now what you want to do is you want to strain this out. So we're going to strain this out, and I'm going to continue to strain it. When I'm done, I'll come right back and I'll show you guys what we'll do next. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Look how rich that is. I'm not even done straining it yet, and I had to get a bigger picture. So as you see here, I'm adding a whole entire bottle of water to the pitcher because again, it was concentrated, and I still have some more to the side. So as you can see, I have all this lemon and sugar. Of course, you can sweeten it to your likeness. You can use honey, agave, brown sugar, white sugar. I have white sugar, and that's what I'm using today, but I'm not putting a lot. I am putting a lot of lemon juice though. So I have about four lemons here, and they're very juicy, so it's gonna equal to about almost a cup of lemon juice. I love lemon, and this is why I tell y'all, do it to your own taste. I'm adding lots of ginger, lots of lemon, and the cinnamon stick, y'all, wait till the end. That's all I'm gonna say. The cinnamon stick, y'all, and the ginger definitely lifted this drink. Again, the fresh pods are way better than the dried. I wish I had fresh ones, but I'm in America. I have to work with what I have available to me. So I added my lemon juice, I added my sugar, and I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna pour it up and let you guys see what it looks like. You guys, I love these cute bottles so much. It's called the milk. What is it called? I think it's the milk bottle, but I'll have the direct link in my description box so you guys just click on it and purchase your bottles if you want them. They're not expensive and they're super cute. They're reusable, so you're going green. You're saving the earth. You're saving the turtles. And I've had these bottles now for I think 8 months. They're really cute, and I've been using them consistently. So if you guys want them, I'll make sure I put the link below so you guys can check it out. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. I got a whole lot of juice out of this because I had a lot, you guys. So this is what it looks like. The juice is tart, it's fruity, it's definitely an acquired taste. However, it's not acquired for me because I've been drinking it my entire life, but it's really, really good. It's lemony, the ginger, the cinnamon, and I hope you guys give it a try. So thank you for watching. I know I'm 4 months late. We only get this drink in the holidays, but y'all, when I saw it in the supermarket, I had to get it. Like, stop playing. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.